Hey Sam, I'm looking at you in DegreeWorks. I have that up on a different screen, but I just wanted to say you've taken all of your gen ed courses. You've taken all of the courses under the graphic design major except for the portfolio building course, which is basically the kind of ending course. Um, I did check with Lanny, who is a business professor, and he said the only marketing class offered online this next fall is Advanced Marketing Applications. That's online with Barb. This is the CRN number. Um, so this would be an independent study with me online that you would take. It's worth 4 credits. So um, I need to fill out paperwork for that. That's probably not going to get done right away. I'm pretty busy right now with just the end of the semester. I need to get caught up with grading, that kind of thing. But I'm guessing in the next week or two, I'll have that ready for you to sign if you want to take that online with me as an independent study. So that we can fill in your fall with a few more credits. This only equals to 7 credits for fall though, so I'm thinking you'll need to take at least 16 credits in the fall. And then in the spring you need to take 18 credits to get to 34 credits because you need a certain amount of credits to graduate and you're 34 short still. So 16 in the spring, 18 in the fall equals 34. You still have a lot of marketing classes to take, which is not surprising because we did wait a while to pick out your minor. And I'm not sure if you were advised very well in the marketing minor, just because there's a couple of these that I'm not even sure if they're going to be offered this coming spring. And that's why these ones definitely will be, but consumer behavior and marketing trends, I'm looking at the rotation list that I asked for just like yesterday. Didn't even know they had this, but it looks like spring, a lot of them are offered online, but only odd years. So actually maybe that means, because spring of 23 is an odd year, so customer service management, what about consumer behavior? Consumer behavior, odd only. You might have lucked out there. And maybe you have talked to the business faculty about this minor and they've been advising you strategically which classes to take based on when they're offered online. Marketing trends, let's take a look at that. Online odd years, I think, is what this O means. So it looks like you will be able to take all of these online. But I would still check with the business faculty. Lanny Wilkie is a really good one to check with. Just to make sure, ask him, what should I take fall and spring of next year so that I can graduate with my graphic design degree or with my marketing minor, obviously along with, you'll be getting the graphic design degree. But you have the right amount of upper division credits, so you should be good there. You still need 9 more, but if you take these, that'll be 7, and so you'll really technically only need 2 more credits of upper division, which, I mean, this is an upper division class, this is an upper division class, and this is an upper division class. So you're definitely going to be okay with the upper division minimum of 39 credits total for all of the classes you've taken, but you still need 34 more credits to graduate by next spring. So, so yeah, basically for fall, you'll be taking these 2 classes. This one's going to be an independent study. And like I said, you'll have to wait for the paperwork for that, but you need 16 credits in the fall. So you'll have to take some more classes. Obviously, this class is worth 4 credits. So just remember that. This one's 3 credits. So, you got 7 here. So technically to get up to 16, you need to take 3 more classes. And you'd have to do that to get to full time. And also just to meet your credit load requirements to graduate. Yeah, so that's kind of what you're looking at. for what you need to be taking. 16 credits in the fall. Basically, those other 3 classes, you know, if they're 3 credit classes, it could be any online class that you're interested in. I would suggest just going into the web banner in Chrome or Safari, whichever one you want to do, MSUN course schedule. Just look that up on Google. Go to the registrar's page on the MSU Northern. Go to banner web schedule. Select your term, fall of 22. Click in here where the subject list, and then just do Command A on your keyboard, and then class search. And you can literally scroll through all of these things and just see what's offered online, see if it's something you might want to take. Make sure it's a 3 credit class and that you sign up for 3 extra 3 credit classes to get up to 16 credits. And then talk to Lanny too, because make sure that this is all going to work out for you. Make sure that all of these classes that you still need are being offered online next spring. And if they are, you will graduate in time. Now, if we look at your spring of 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is only 12 credits. So you will need 2 more classes. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, 2 more classes to make 18 credits. So you can take whatever you want as long as it's online. So, so yeah, you'll have to kind of set up, you know, 2 more classes. Spring is going to be kind of busy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 classes, 18 credits. You could potentially take 4 more classes here and do 18 in the fall and 16 in the spring. I guess it's kind of up to you what you want to do, but you just need to get the total for next year's credits up to 34. So anyway, it's kind of confusing and it's kind of hard to advise you online. And also, I can't really technically advise you for your minor classes. You need to go to Lanny or Barb for that. So just look them up online on the business site. You can call them on their offices too, and just ask them what you should take next year to graduate with a minor in marketing by the end of next spring, 2023. Anyway, I'm going to send this email to you. You know, you might want to get signed into this right away. I'm not technically your advisor. I think Joel is, but I need to get your advisor pin from Joel, and I can include that in this email. I can send you an email with that in it so that you can sign up for at least this class and get in on that class. And then this one's obviously not going to fill up because it's an independent study with me, but you will have to register for 3 more classes, 3 or 4, depending on if you want to do 18 in the fall and 16 in the spring, or vice versa. So it kind of depends on you know, what you want to do. So yeah, that's basically the rundown, and let me know if you have any questions.